Chapter number 1, sets. What is mean by set? So, what is mean by sets? So, collection of objects is called sets. Collection of objects, collection of objects is called sets. Collection of object. What is mean by objects? All things are called as objects. Okay. For example, collection of bouquet. Sorry, collection of flowers is called sets. Collection of keys is called sets. Collection of books is called sets because it is countable. Means sets are countable. Countable things are called as sets and uncountable things is not called sets because it is uncountable. So, countable things or countable objects are called as sets. For example, first, collection of flowers. Collection of flowers. This is countable. How many flowers? So, this is countable. Okay. So, collection of flowers is a set. Then collection of books. Collection of books. It is also called sets. Then collection of pens. It is sets. Okay. Means all the countable things are called as sets and uncountable things are not called as sets. It is not a set. Okay. So, sets are denoted by only capital letters A, B, C up to Z. So, these sets are denoted by only capital letters and sets, for example, set of natural number. So, it is denoted by capital N. Okay, sets are denoted by capital letters A, B, C up to Z. Okay, so N is a capital letter. So, it is denoted by natural number sets, set of natural number. It is write in only curly bracket. Okay, so set of natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So, it is finite set because infinite set because it is uncountable. Here dash 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 is uncountable. So, this is infinite set. It is called as infinite set. It is uncountable. Okay. Set of natural numbers. For example, this is the set of natural numbers and it is denoted by capital N. So, sets always write in curly bracket. So, this is curly bracket. Okay. Sets always write in curly bracket. It is called as curly bracket. Okay. So, number of these curly brackets are called as elements. This is elements 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called elements. Elements of set N. So, in these elements are members of this set. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on are all the elements of set N, all the members of set N. So, this is called as elements or members of these sets. Okay. So, example number 2. Sets of even numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Write the set of even numbers. Question is that write the set of even numbers from 1 to 10. 1 is not even number. N equal to 1 is not even number. Then first even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. From 1 to 10. Between 1 to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Write the set of even numbers from 1 to 10. So, 1 is not even number. It is odd number. So, second even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All are even numbers. So, it is denoted by capital N because this is set and all numbers are natural numbers. So, this is a set of even numbers. Okay. So, all the elements or all the members of these sets are denoted by only small letters. Means this A, B, this number is denoted by C, D and E. Means elements or members of these sets are denoted by small letters and sets are denoted by only capital letters. And write the sets in only curly bracket. This is curly bracket. Okay, so this is countable, this is uncountable, means infinite set. This is uncountable, so it is called as also, it is called infinite set. This even number set is countable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements or 5 members are in set n. So this is finite. So this set is called as finite set because this is countable. Okay, so this is called as set. Sets are denoted by only capital letters and members of elements are denoted by only small letters. Page number 1. See the examples given below and decide whether it is a set or not. First problem is days of a week. It is countable, so it is set. Second, months in a year. It is also countable, so it is set. Third problem is brave children in the class. It is uncountable, so it is not set because we know that how many brave children in our class. Fourth problem, first 10 counting numbers. It is countable, so it is set. Strong forts of Maharashtra. It is not set because we know that how many forts are strong or weak, so it is not set. Planets in our solar system, it is countable, so it is sets. The next topic is methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing set. Methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing. There are two methods of writing sets. First method is listing method. First method is listing method or roster form. Or listing method or roster form. And second method is rule method and set builder form. Rule method or set builder form. Okay. This is the two methods of writing sets. First method is listing method. So in this method we have write only list of some elements, and in second method we have to write some rule related to question. Okay. So first method, listing method. Okay. In this listing method, first point, write all the elements in curly brackets. First point is write all the elements in curly bracket. Write each element, each of the element only once. Only once. Do not repeat each elements. Write each element, write each of the elements only once. Do not repeat. Do not repeated. And separated by commas. And separated by commas. This is the second rule. Okay, in this listing method or roster form, write all the elements in curly brackets. For example, listing means list. For example, write odd numbers from 1 to 5, 1 to 7. Okay, write odd numbers from 1 to 7. Okay, फ्रॉम अगर आया तो 1 भी लेना है और 7 भी लेना है अगर वो ऑड नंबर है तो, अदरवाइज इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. Okay, write odd numbers from 1 to 7. First rule is write all the elements in curly bracket. Okay, odd numbers, suppose A is the set of odd numbers. Okay, you can take any capital letters of these sets. A is the set of odd numbers. It is considered A is the set of odd numbers. And first point is write all the elements in curly bracket. So this is curly bracket and write all the elements in curly bracket. Okay, so from 1 to 7, 1 is odd number, then next odd number is 3, then next odd number is 5, and then next odd number is 7. So this is odd numbers. Write all the elements in curly brackets. Second point is write each of the elements only once. हर element एक बार ही आना चाहिए. Do not repeated, वो repeat नहीं होना चाहिए. For example अगर यहाँ पर 7 है, क्वेश्चन में अगर 7 बार बार आ रहा है तो वो 7 से आपको 1 टाइम ही लिखना है. Do not repeat, वो repeat नहीं करना है. Do not repetition of these second elements. Then separated by commas, हर एक elements के बाद comma देना है. कॉमा से उसको सेपरेट करना है. ओके, एंड यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो 3, 5, 1, 7. ऑर्डर इज नॉट नेसेसरी. ओके, यहाँ पर ऑर्डर लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. यू कैन राइट रैंडमली, आप कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं इसमें. 3, 5, 1, 7, 7, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 5, 1, 3, 7. Okay, you can write randomly. It is not necessary to take order. Okay, so this is capital letters. Then next topic is, this is the elements or members of this sets A. So we can say that elements 3 belongs to A. It is called as belongs to, means 3 belongs to A. This sign indicates belongs to. इसका मतलब है belongs to, BELONGS, belongs to means 3 is an element of set A. इसका मतलब belongs to 3 इस set में present है. 3 belongs to A. 3 is an element of set A. 3 is an element of set A. 3 ये इस set में odd number के set में 3 present है. So we can say that 3 belongs to A. अगर वहाँ पर present है तो belongs to. यहाँ पर 4 है क्या? नहीं है. So 4 does not belongs to A. It is called as does not belongs to. Then we can read 4 does not belongs to, does not belongs to A. Means 4 इस सेट का एलिमेंट नहीं है. 4 is not an element of set A. 3 belongs to A. 3 is an element of set A, but 4 does not belongs to A. So 4 is not a element of a set A. Means इसका मतलब है, इसका मीनिंग है does not belongs to, does not belongs to. belongs to means element है, does not belongs to means element नहीं है. Okay, so this is the list. This is the list of odd numbers. And write in only curly bracket separated by commas and do not repeat. Okay, one element can be written in only once. एक एलिमेंट एक बार ही लिखना है. A equal to 1357. So A equal to 3517. We can written as 5137. Order is not necessary. So this is called listing method. This is first example. Second example is remember, right? Question is that and write in listing method. So remember, okay, this is the example second. Write in listing method. ये listing method से लिखना है. So for A is a set of REM, R then comma E separate, then comma M R E M, again E is repeating, so it is cancelled. E सिर्फ एक ही बार लिखना है. M here, M is it, M also repeating, so one element can be written only once. Then B, again E repeat हो रहा है यहाँ पर, वो भी नहीं लिखना है. Then R भी repeat हो रहा. So here A is a set of R E M B. Remember, A is the set of, remember, R E M E M B E R. M यहाँ पर M repeat हो रहा है तो वो एक ही बार लिखना है. E repeat हो रहा है वो भी एक ही बार लिखना है. R repeat हो रहा है वो भी एक ही बार लिखना है. और B as it is, means repeat वाले लेटर्स और नंबर सिर्फ एक बार लिखना है, उसको रिपीट नहीं करना है. सो दिस इज अ सेट ऑफ लिस्टिंग मेथड. सेकेंड मेथड इज रूल मेथड और सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. In this method, we do not write the list of elements, but write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line or colon and write the property of the variable. In this method, we do not write a list. यहाँ पर लिस्ट नहीं लिखना है, यहाँ पर कुछ रूल लिखना है. So A is, it is a rule. So A is a set of, and it can be written as A is a set. This is the set. A is a set of. A is a set of all x. A is a set. This is curly bracket is called set of all x. This vertical line is called as colon, and it is called as such that A is a set of all x such that x belongs to n, means x is a element of set n. X belongs to n. इसका मीनिंग है x is an element of set n, means ये x element इस set n में है, and set n is a natural numbers. So A is a set of all x such that x belongs to n and 1 less than x less than 10. Means x is a natural number between 1 to 10. Okay, so A is a set of all x. It is read as A is a set of all x such that, this line is called as colon, it is called such that x belongs to n, x belongs to n, and x is a natural number and x is a natural number because x belongs to n and n is a set of natural numbers. So x is a natural number between, x natural number है और कैसा है, दोनों के बीच में है, 1 है, between 1 and 10. So this is the rule method. Okay, so for example b is the set of prime numbers between 1 to 10. यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल है और कौन से फॉर्म में लिखना है, राइट इन रूल मेथड. ओके, एंड एग्जाम्पल इज दैट b इज अ सेट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स बिटवीन 1 to 10. सो राइट इन रूल मेथड in this method. So b is a set of prime numbers. So b is a set of prime numbers. Okay, set of prime numbers means b is a set of prime numbers between 1 to 10. b is a set of numbers, prime numbers such that b is a set of all x such that x belongs to n, because all prime numbers are natural numbers. X belongs to n and b is a set of prime numbers between 1 to 10. So 1 less than x less than 10 means ये जो x है ये दोनों के बीच में है, x is a prime number. ओके, और ये x कैसा है, b is a set of prime numbers between 1 to 10. ये प्राइम नंबर है दोनों के बीच वाले, इसलिए यहाँ पर इसको x फॉर्म में लिखा. सो b इज अ सेट ऑफ ऑल x सच दैट x बिलोंग्स टू and 1 less than x less than 10. And second method is that b is a set of all x such that second type. Okay, this is the first type, this is second type. B is a set of all x such that x is a prime number, x is a prime number between 1 to 10. X is a B is a set of all x such that x is a prime number between 1 to 10. आप लोग कैसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, ये टाइप करो या ये टाइप करो, ओके दोनों भी टाइप से कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज रूल मेथड और सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. पेज नंबर 3. हाँ, देन अगेन रूल मेथड और सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म कन्वर्टेड इनटू लिस्टिंग मेथड और लिस्टिंग मेथड कन्वर्टेड इनटू रूल मेथड. रूल मेथड और सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म, हियर लिस्टिंग मेथड और रोस्टर फॉर्म. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, x is a letter of the word division. Okay, a is a set of all x such that x is a letter of the word division. एग्जांपल गिवन है, सो लिस्टिंग मेथड में कन्वर्ट किया इसको, a इक्वल टू लिस्ट लिखा है, सिर्फ यहाँ पर रिपीट नहीं हुआ है, DIVISION, तो यहाँ पर DIVSION है, रिपीट I रिपीट हो गया तो वहाँ पर I सिर्फ वन टाइम लिखा है. y is a number such that y square equal to 9, इसको कन्वर्ट करो लिस्टिंग में, सो b इक्वल टू -3 और 3. z is a multiple of 5 and is less than 30, सो मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 मीन्स 5 का टेबल एंड लेस देन 30 तक लिखना है, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then second, listing or roster method, and here rule method means listing method can be converted into rule method और rule method can be converted into listing method. अगर लिस्ट दिया है तो उसको रूल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते और अगर रूल दिया है तो उसको लिस्ट में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते. So first, listing or roster method. Example, fill in the blanks given in the following table. Listing or roster method, a equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And rule method में दिया है आंसर, a is a set of all x such that x is an even natural number less than 15. सेकेंड रूल मेथड गिवन है और लिस्टिंग मेथड में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो b इज अ सेट ऑफ ऑल x सच दैट x इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बिटवीन 1 to 20. सो b में क्या लिखना है, सो b इक्वल टू 1, 4, 9, 16. पेज नंबर 3. Fill in the blanks given in the following table. Listing or roster method. First problem is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is the listing method. Listing method converted into rule method. So this is the question of listing method and it is converted into rule method. So A is a set of all x such that x is an even natural number less than 15. This is a listing or roster and this is rule method or set builder form. Okay, here first already done. Second, B rule method given है, x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Second, B is a set of all x such that x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. यहाँ पर रूल मेथड मीन्स रूल गिवन है, रूल से लिस्ट बनाना है. सो B इज अ सेट और क्या बनाना है सेट में, इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बिटवीन 1 to 20. 1 to 20 में के परफेक्ट स्क्वायर जो है वो वहाँ पर लिखना है. ओके, सो 1 to 20 के परफेक्ट स्क्वायर 1 perfect square of 1 is 1. Okay, so 1 is a perfect square. Then 1 बाद में 4, 2 square equal to 4. Then 1, 4, 9 is a perfect square. 9 and 16. So B is a set of perfect square between 1 to 20. So this is rule, and rule is converted into list. So 1, 4, 9, 16 is a list of 1 to between 1 to 20 number. Okay, perfect square of 1, 4, 9, 16 are perfect square. This is second problem. Then third is A, E, I, O, U. This is the list given A, E, I, O, U. Then this is given A, E, I, O, this is a list, and rule converted into rule. So C is a set of all x such that x is a E, I, O, U are vowels in English alphabet. So x is a vowels in English alphabet. Okay. Again, this is third solution. Means this is list given and list converted into rule method. Very easy problem. Fourth problem. Fourth rule is given. Y is a color in the rainbow. So you know that. How many colors in rainbow? There are 7 colors in rainbow. And which is color? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, etc. So fourth is D is a set of all y such that y is a color in rainbow. So write down all the colors in the rainbow. So D is a set of all x, all y such that y is a color in rainbow. So write down here color: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. Then fifth number. X is an integer. P is a set of all x. P is a set of all x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than x less than 3. P is a set of all x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than x less than. So x is an integer. तो यहाँ पर ये integer है और ये कैसा है? minus 3 और 3 के between है. So minus 3 और 3 के between में के सब integer लिखो. इस यहाँ पर minus 3 और 3. So minus 3 के बाद आ रहा minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 are the integers between minus 3 and 3. So write down in list. P is a set of minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 are the integers between minus 3 and 3. Then 6. M equal to 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Write down. This is a list. So write down in rule method. M is a set of all x such that x 1, 8, 27 यहाँ इसको ये कौन से नंबर है? So this is a cube. 1 is a cube of 1. 8 is a cube of 2. 27 is a cube of 3. 64 is a cube of 4. And 125 is a cube of 5. So this is a cubes. Okay, so M is a set of all x such that x is a cube of positive integer. ये सब क्यूब्स है पॉजिटिव इंटीजर के. हो गया. So this is listing method converted into rule method, and rule methods are converted into listing method. The next practice set 1.1.